Hello everyone, it's eCommon12. In this video I'll be unboxing the Asus Eee transformer with the keyboard dock. Now, I'm going to tell first things first, I have not owned any tablet device at all. Ever since the iPad came out I've been interested in tablet devices, but the iPad is an enlarged version of the iPod Touch, nothing more. So I've been very impressed with these Android tablets, particularly this one, because so far from all the tablets I've seen, this one seems to be the most interesting. Now without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. Now, it's really heavy, this box. It's got the keyboard dock. I thought it had two separate boxes. Let's take out this big old stabby knife right here. Let's turn the box over. Got another piece of tape right here. Really guys, this box is very bloody heavy. Okay, so should be that type of box that you just drop down here, so I can feel this top piece coming off. Wow, this is beautifully presented. The tablet is on top and it's got a bit of weight to it, but it feels very nice. Wow, this is absolutely brilliant. Oh, I'm already so excited to actually get into it. This looks really nice. 5 megapixel camera at the back. Of course they say this is not true 5 megapixels, you know, these sensors, but they are a lot better than the 0.7 megapixel camera you get on Apple's iPad. Okay, so let's put that to the side, out of shot, and here is the keyboard dock. Pull this little tab right here. Whoa! This is absolutely fantastic. Before we show you the main parts, let's just see what else you get inside. Wow, a very nice sort of little packlet right here. What do you get inside here? Tips for using your ePad, inspiring innovation, persistent perfection, warranty code, user manual. Who's going to be reading these? When you get a device as great as this, you're not going to be using those, are you? Okay, now you also have, this looks like a power brick where the plug adapter is going to snap on, and here's the cable used for synchronizing and charging the device, and here's the proprietary connector. Looks very much like what Apple uses on their iPad. That's interesting. Okay, so let's see, you got anything else at the bottom? Nothing else at the bottom, so let's just put this back inside. And let's move this aside. iPad transformer itself. Okay, so here's the tablet. Let's take off this sort of wrapping at the back. Oh, so there's a little tab at the front. First time actually opening my first tablet, and bloody hell, this is fantastic. And it's the first time I'm actually going to be using a tablet properly. So here's the tablet itself, front-facing camera over there. I don't know the specs for this tablet yet, but I'll tell you that in my full review. You have your power, sorry, let me just bring this here. You have your power button right over there, and you also got your volume rockers. Sorry for this being slightly out of focus. You got your 5 megapixel rear facing camera over there. Really nice sort of material used on the back. Feels very nice. There's still a little bit of plastic over here. I'll take that off later on. Okay, at the bottom, it looks like you've got that. Actually, no, that's not the dock, is it? Oh yeah, these look like. That's the little dock place where you put your dock, your little dock connector, and right over here is where the keyboard dock will be going on. And the tablet's pretty much empty. Not too much stuff going on. Oh, let's have a look at this. Okay, so you get a micro SD card slot, so you can expand the memory further. You also got a HDMI slot. I think that's a little LED over there. And here's a microphone input, and it also doubles up as the headphone jack. That's great. Okay, so that's the tablet. Let's just put that aside over there. And now let's come to this really nice keyboard dock. Take a look. Let's just move this a little bit more out of shot. Okay, here's the keyboard dock. Really nice little trackpad over there. Really want to start feeling this thing. They've really packed this very well. It's sort of like sticky tape right over there. Wow. Here's the keyboard dock. Ooh, this is fantastic. The trackpad feels really nice. 2 buttons. Oops, let's bring that a bit more to shot. You have your 2 buttons right over here. Back button, everything. This is fantastic. It's got like a very nice high quality feel to it. It feels like metal. This is metal, and or steel, I'd say. And already, ooh, fingerprints already. But everyone hasn't. All these manufacturers have not resolved that yet. Asus logo and everything. Yeah, this feels very, very nice. So I'm really looking forward to actually using this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.